I'm a senior attorney at the Institute for Justice. The Institute for Justice is a nonprofit national law firm that fights for people's constitutional rights, including the right to earn an honest living, the right to be secure with their private property, and the right to speak freely. And that's why we're here today. Today, the Institute for Justice filed a major First Amendment lawsuit in this federal court behind me. For more about that case, let me turn it over to my colleague, Erica Smith.
Thank you. Good morning. Today, we are suing the town of Orange Park because they are violating the free speech rights of Scott Fisher and his video game store, Gone Broke Gaming. Scott put up the inflatable Mario that you see behind you in front of his store with great success. Scott's store is easy to miss, and the Mario helped people find it. It also quickly became a local attraction for kids and families alike. But the town of Orange Park was not a fan of the Mario. They told Scott that if he didn't take it down, he would face fines of up to $100 a day. So Scott had no choice but to comply, and his business is now suffering as a result. But the town allows some inflatables. In fact, there are plenty of inflatables throughout the town. Scott could put up a unicorn in front of his store, a Santa Claus, an Easter bunny, a pumpkin, but he cannot put up the Mario because his store is a video game store and Mario is a video game character. Not only is that unfair, but it's unconstitutional. The First Amendment prevents the government from arbitrarily restricting the free speech rights of businesses. And the First Amendment also prevents the government from preferring some speech and some messages over others. That's why Scott has joined with the Institute for Justice to file a federal lawsuit today in court. And I'm going to turn it over to Scott.
Hello everybody, I'm Scott Fisher. I'm the owner of Gone Broke Gaming, and we had to file this lawsuit today because we put the inflatable Mario up, which increased foot traffic exponentially at our store, and having to take it down, we could see a decrease in business. So having Institute for Justice fight for us to get the Mario back is very important, and we can't wait to see the outcome of how this works. And we hope that justice prevailed and the First Amendment rights are withheld in Florida, and we get to put Mario back up. Thank you.
Thank you. Does anyone have questions?
Can you give a better idea of how it affected your business? Any numbers or percentage?
When we first put Mario up, we could see that we got about